Hey everyone, in this video we are at Hiranandani Fortune City located at Panvel, Navi Mumbai. So friends, this is the office entry and in front you can see the main office. And that's the Yota data center. And the sector A of this project is ready to move. And sector A consists of 11 number of elevated towers. As from here you can see. And that's the sector C, which is under construction stage. So this sector C is fully residential sector. And it comprises of 8 number of towers with 33 number of floors each. And if we talk about this project in details, the whole township is sprawled over 588 acres of land. So we are riding towards the main entrance gate. So here's the grand entrance. Adhiraj capital city located at Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. So this project is spread across 40 acres of land. And this road directly goes to Taloja. And a road will be constructed here that will directly connect to Adhiraj capital city project. And this project consists of 55-story towers. So this is the connecting road of Kharghar that we are showing you right now. And this project is in close proximity to metro station. And the golf course is at 5 minutes distance from this project. At Lodha Crown project, which is located in Taloja Bypass Road, Dombivali, Mumbai. So friends, here you can take the exterior view of project tower. So this project is spread across 30 plus acres of land and it total consists of G plus 12 number of floors and there are total 4200 plus number of residential units. This project offers 1 and 2 BHK flats for the residents. Now we are here on the internal road and from here you can take the side view of project towers. Comes the first bedroom, beautifully designed with lavish interior, as here in this video you can see.
क्राउन तलोजा पेश करते हैं नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज रेसिडेंसेस, एक वेल डिजाइन घर जो आपकी जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाया गया है। जिसके हर कोने को इस तरह प्लान किया गया है ताकि बिना किसी पैसेज एरिया के आपको पर्याप्त स्टोरेज स्पेसेस भी मिले। इनमें है फुल लेंथ विंडोज जिससे कि घर में पर्याप्त धूप आए और साथ ही घर हवादार रहे। फॉयर स्पेस आपको अपने घर के एंट्रेंस को अपने हिसाब से कस्टमाइज करने देता है, जहां आपके रोजमर्रा के जरूरी सामान डिलीवर किए जा सके। लोधा की अंतर्राष्ट्रीय विशेषज्ञता और अनुभव के साथ घर के किचन को स्मार्ट तरीके से डिजाइन किया गया है, जो इसे एक आधुनिक और खुला फील देता है। आपके रेफ्रिजरेटर, माइक्रोवेव और चिमनी के लिए खास जगह दी गई है और साथ ही स्टोरेज कैबिनेट्स के लिए पर्याप्त जगह उपलब्ध है। किचन में इंटरनेशनल डिजाइन की फ्लेक्सिबल विंडो हैं, जो बंद होने पे किचन को लिविंग रूम से अलग रखती हैं और खोलने पे ये किचन को एक्सपैंड करती हैं, एक एक्स्ट्रा काउंटर के साथ। यहाँ पे स्लाइडिंग डोर का भी प्रावधान है, जिसके द्वारा आप अपने किचन को प्राइवेसी दे सकते हैं। वॉशिंग मशीन और कपड़े सुखाने के लिए अलग यूटिलिटी स्पेस की व्यवस्था भी है। अटैच्ड टॉयलेट और बाथरूम के साथ 2 मास्टर बेडरूम्स भी हैं। कपड़ों के लिए एक अलग वार्डरोब स्पेस आपके बेडरूम में घूमने के लिए अच्छी खासी जगह छोड़ता है। अब खुशियों में नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज, क्राउन तलोजा, जियो तो ऐसे।
Arihant Anaika residential project located in Taloja, Navi Mumbai. So friends, we are standing outside the project and here you can see the main entrance of Arihant Anaika. Now here you can take the exterior view of phase 1 of Arihant Anaika. So this project is spread across 8.13 acres of land and there are total 4 number of phases, and this project offers 1, 2 and 3 BHK flats for the residents. So this we are showing you phase 1 and all these flats are ready to move in. Now here you can take the exterior view of phase 2, which is under construction stage. And that's the main entrance, as from here you can see. And these are the various towers of Arihant Anaika phase 1. Now from here you can see the construction work of Arihant Anaika phase 4. And that's the Arihant Anaika phase 3, which is also under construction stage. Now here is the main entrance lobby. And here is the lifts and staircase service. So there are 4 flats on each floor. And now we are taking you into a 1 BHK sample flat. So here we will give you the interior view. So friends, in front you can see the living room. Now moving forward, here is a separate WC, and in front of these, here is the kitchen, quite spacious, having service platform, and here is the bedroom. So this we have shown you a 1 BHK sample flat. And now we are taking you into a 2 BHK sample flat. So this we have entered. And here you can see the spacious living cum dining hall. Beautifully designed. Next we have the kitchen, having efficient space and also has a service platform. And in front of the kitchen we have the common washroom. And now we are moving towards the bedroom. So here is the first bedroom of this flat, quite spacious. And beside this, here is the master bedroom, which also has an attached washroom. So friends, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit inquiries you can call us at the given number. Thank you.